How to use the Sololearn community for asking questions. Want to get quick help on coding problems? Sololearn's community lets you ask questions easily. First, open the Sololearn app on your device and tap the Community tab at the bottom of the screen. Look for the Ask a Question button near the top and tap it. Type your question clearly and explain what you need help with. Add relevant tags to make sure the right people see your question. Once you are ready, tap Post to share your question with the whole community. You'll get responses from learners and experts who want to help. Include any code snippets or screenshots that show your problem. This helps others understand and answer faster. Ever asked a question in Sololearn's community? Share your experience in the comments below. And that's how you can use the Sololearn community for asking questions. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.